Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. And I finally got my Boxycharm January base box in the mail, and I just got a notification that my premium is on its way. So I'm excited because I finally got it, and also I got it earlier than last month. And also this month's choice item, I actually like more than last month's because last month I kind of regret not getting the lashes. But anyways, if you don't know what Box Charm is a $25 a month plus tax. Plus tax. So for me it'd be like 27 and some change for 5 full-size items, and you get more like over or $125 worth of items just for 25 bucks, bro. Just for 25 bucks. So yeah. As you can see, my box is a little bit damaged, so I hope nothing is damaged in here. Also, this is like all beauty items, like you get skincare, you get makeup, you get brushes, you get whole different things. Also, it's catered to you because you do personalized quizzes. Wow, that was really hard right there. You do a you do a personalized quiz, and they pick it out based on your quiz. And if you want different products, you have to like keep up with it. Also, you get a choice every single month, and I chose. So let's get into this. This is what the box is looking like. It's right on the inside. You got the card here. It says a fresh start, and then you got the foam and the products. They change variations. It's not a number. It's just a whole babble. It's C210102BA. So I guess if you got 002BA, then this is your thing. But to be honest, I kind of already know what I'm getting because of my choice items, because majority of my choice items did not get what I wanted, and that's the reason why I bought it during add-ons, because what I wanted was the Farmacy moisturizer, but I got the Farmacy toner. And I'm just going to show you this because it's the first thing that's on here, and everybody got this. This is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleansing toner and alcohol free. I love alcohol free toners. 2% BH toner that gently exfoliates, deeply cleanse pores, and control oils without overstripping. Ideal for combination oily and acne prone skin. So I am down for that. I really am down for that. I love Farmacy packaging, and I love their cleansing balm. Have I gotten again? No, but it's just, and I also like their other moisturizer. It's like a honey moisturizer. It's also gel. It's glass. That's why it's heavy. It's glass. See, you hear that? Little ASMR. ASMR. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, it's like Saturday morning and I'm like, I have a hangover. I'm not gonna go to the hangover. I told you I was going to a work party, and I pre-gamed because I thought, and then I had a couple beers and 2 shots during, and now like my head is like, oh Kayla. But yeah, this right here, let's see what they have to say about it. It retails for $28. Oh, I mean, Farmacy is like affordable for Sephora affordable, so I'm down for that. Reduce shine, minimize the look of pores, and I do have combination oily skin, but right now it's combination normal skin because it's the winter time. So I'm down for this. I want the moisturizer too. It's like literally in my cart. Like as soon as I got this, I was like, okay, what do I have and what do I not have? Because I could use that. Also, I kind of waited for my premium, because if I'm getting one of the items, I do not want to get that. I don't, because my last month box, I bought an item and I was getting it in the box, but I didn't know because I got it this month. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I will leave it above in the cards. The next item is my choice item, which is the Pure, I was gonna say 2-in-1, 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. This is in coffee shade DPN6. This tinted moisturizer is a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen moisturizer primer and foundation with SPF 20. That's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. Retails for $35. Oh, it had one of those. Oh. Oh. I got the right shade. I got the right shade. It was between coffee and chestnut. Okay, I didn't know which one I was, and I got the right shade. And it doesn't look red. I'm down for that. Okay, I'm happy. The funny thing is that I saw other people's come with safety seals. Mine came with this type of safety seal. I think it's because the other ones you get at Ulta, and this one you could only get on the Pure's website. Like the deepest one you only can get on the Pure website. Deepest one on Ulta is chestnut. So, yeah. Wow, that is perfect for my skin tone. Oh my gosh, because my hand is lighter than my face, but that goes right to my face. Like, wow, perfect match. I did that online. I was like, it might be darker than the other one. The other one says brown skin. I'm not brown skin. This one says deep skin, and I'm deep skin. The way they're saying it, that's perfect. But on the website, it was like really, really dark. So I thought it was going to be really, really dark. But it's not. It's perfect for me. I'm excited. I'm happy with my choice item. Okay, I'm happy with, and next month I'm happy with my choice item because I do not like freaking Ace Beauty formula when it comes to eyeshadow. It just doesn't work with my eyes. It makes my eyes irritated. It's just no. And then Wander Beauty, no. It's like a cream to powder, but mostly cream. It's horrible. It's not ideal for me, okay? So the only thing left was Brow Bar, and I love Brow Bar brow products. So I got the brow products. I mean, I love brow products anyways. That's the ones that I've been like buying up lately because it's like I'm always out of brow products. That's the only thing that I used during the pandemic that was like consistent was brow products and lip products. So speaking of lip products, the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss. This right here retails for $18. It's in the shade Unprofessional. This shade, oh my gosh, this shade right here is pink. I saw it. It's like pink, pink, pink. I have like lip gloss on, not lip gloss, but lip balm from Huda Beauty, the Huda Beauty lip balm. I did a review on it. It's probably before this video or after this video, but it's one of the videos. This is like a really big, like you think you see it because of the lights that it looks peachy, but it's like hot pink. Like, can you see it? Just take it. Yep, that's the color. It's hot pink. Like, it's not peachy, it's hot pink. Oh, it's not that bad. I thought it was like gonna come off crazy because I saw some people swatching it and they're like, it's very corally, it's very pink, it's very out there. And I'm like, ooh, I don't like pink. I don't like pink at all. It has like a nice like apricot-y scent. And I like this. I'm okay with this, alright? And that's the shade swatched. It's really pretty. Okay. I could wear this. I'm down for this. I am down for this right here. I'm down. And it's really nice on the lips, very comfortable. I did put it over the lip balm, but it feels like it would be comfortable by itself because it just added more plushiness to my lips. So I'm really liking this box so far. Seraphine Botanicals Apple plus Balmain Glow Lip Mask. Boost hydration and glow with this productive lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rose hip oils that works to keep lips chapped free, soothe, plumped all at once. It's made with green apple, pineapple extracts to help rid lips of dead skin cells and fine lines. This retails for $25. And I actually wanted this. I'm not gonna hold you. When they were showing this or the lip balm, I kind of wanted this. And I kind of wanted the lip balm to replace the lip gloss, but I'm kind of happy that I got the lip gloss and not the lip balm. But ooh, do I want to open this right now? No, I don't want to open this. This is gluten and vegan and cruelty free. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, and it has like a peachy type of tint. So I'm just gonna save this for like one of my first impressions. Same as I'm gonna save the Pure 4-in-1 for first impression. I'm not gonna try it on today. And also what's coming in next, because it's the actual palette that I actually wanted. This is $34. It's the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This palette was designed with universal flattering olives. It only has 2 olives in here. Hues that complement one each other for a flawless luxury creamy mattes, memorizing metallics and impact foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks for a modern, soft, sultry, and seductive olive smoky eye. It's a new launch. It's a new launch, and I kind of do not like Violet Voss shadows. I mean, I like Violet Voss shadows, but not to the point where I would buy their palettes. I like their mattes. Let's just put it like that. The shimmers, you have to spray the brush. It's just not just to like adhere it to the eye like Huda Beauty's, but to make it pop. Like, because it adheres to the eye by itself, but it doesn't pop. It doesn't pop on its own. It's just so lackluster. It looks beautiful in the pan, but this is an okay palette. I'm debating, like, should I use this or should I not? I mean, I do like the Lovebird shade. I could use Major Spotlight for the inner corner. I could use Juicy just for a regular brown smoky eye. It's an okay palette. It's just that when I see this, I think of like olive mattes with like olive shimmers, with neutral colors, and that pop of like mustard yellow. Like every olive palette has to have mustard yellow. That's how I feel, like, because it goes totally well with it. You have a mirror. And a protective paper. And here are the colors. I can't wait to play with it during my first impressions, but it's like, it was between this and the Ciate one. I mean, the Ciate formula is amazing, would have loved that, but it was not that many deep shades that I could like blend with, so I'm down for this. And again, that retails for $34. Overall, my box retails for $140. $140. And I only paid $27.50 or $27.25 or $27.75, whatever. I paid like mostly like $28 for this, like a whole thing, and I save $112. $112, bro. $112 on all these products, and all these products I would use. I would use all these products. Not gonna hold you. Without the Violet Voss shadow palette, because I wouldn't choose that. I would choose everything else besides the Violet Voss palette. Without that, I would be saving $78, and the total would be $106. So again, I'm saving money. This box is actually worth it. So if you're interested in Boxycharm, I will leave the link down below. It's my link. I just get charms for it. I don't get money for it. So if you want to sign up with my link, it will be linked down below. Also, I did have a code for this brand that does clothing, Officials Tuesdays. But they're under construction with their website. They're trying to change it up. So because of that, I don't know what's going on, but I will still leave my link down below. Also my Macari link if you want to get some makeup that, you know, some has been used, some hasn't been used, some are just clothing items that I really, really like that I haven't worn though, because it's too tight for me. quarantine got me big. You feel me? Quarantine got me big. And those are new items. But if you could wear them, Macari down below. Go check my Macari. Also, if you want to support your girl with some finances so we can still have these boxes, my Cash App is down below. Also, if you just want to hit me up, my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my email is down below. So don't be afraid to hit your girl up, talk to your girl, everything else. I've been feeling like really down lately, so that would boost my spirits. And if you want to watch other videos are right here, head is right here. Go check it out. Okay, bye you guys.